We're here this afternoon in the jungles of Peru along the Salcantay Trail, and we have a big soccer game going on over here. And today we have a special treat for Fitness Anywhere. We have a couple people who are going to teach us a little bit of capoeira.
Fitness Anywhere. My name is Natasha. I do capoeira in New York City. Capoeira is an Afro-Brazilian martial art, and it's kind of a combination of a fight and a dance. And when we practice capoeira, we say we play it. So it's also kind of a game.
Nice.
Yeah.
And over here?
Hello. My name is Khorshid, and I also have been training capoeira. I've been training for about 8 years, and I guess I would have to agree with everything Natasha said.
Very good.
Yeah, the only thing I would add is that when we play, I think sometimes it does seem like a dance because the movement continues and there's a lot of flow. And we try not to make contact and keep the game going, but sometimes there is contact, so you know, you just have to keep your eyes open and be careful.
Is that how you got your bloody nose?
No, altitude. But you never know what will happen.
Right. All right. And again, I'm Arlo Gagestein, and this is Fitness Anywhere from Competitive Edge Fitness, and I'm going to jump in as well, and we'll see if they can teach me anything.
I'm gonna watch.
And Sam's here.
Man, altitude.
So like,
Oh, that's cool. So y'all do this to work out?
Yeah, that's all I do.
so the basic capoeira movement is called the ginga. Just like that. Kind of like equal to the stance in karate, but more loose.
Okay.
Okay. Then when you switch, your legs go together. Then this leg goes back. And here, together. And then switch your arms. And then.
Yeah.
But always keep your hips forward. Okay? And then the next thing you learn is an escape. So it's called an esquiva. So we stop here in the middle, nice and low, and duck. Kick goes over, elbow down. Then right leg back. Ginga. And this way. Together. And get out of the way. Still looking forward.
Okay.
And then left leg back. Good, switch arms. Arms and legs are always opposite, kind of like when you walk. So then I'm going to point the way and we're going to duck, okay? And go, get down. And back. Arms, yeah. And go. That's so much better than hiking. And that way, go. Okay. So now we'll learn first kick. Arms and legs opposite, yeah. So always bend your legs. It's kind of like a lunge.
Okay.
So both knees are bent always. Okay. Stop in the middle, just as if you were going to do the escape.
Okay.
Instead, you're going to attack with this leg. Make like a crescent in the air. Watch first. And then back. Good. And then back. Okay. And use your arms to counterbalance your leg.
Okay.
Oh, it's cool.
And then finger. Loose, arms loose.
Really fluid, eh?
And stop in the middle. And now with your left leg, you're going to do the crescent. And back. And then ginga. Okay. And that way. And stop. And kick. To the back. Ginga. Okay, now all at once. Ready? And go. So you want to do, should I show other moves? Or?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. So the next escape you learn is just from ginga position, you're going to go really low on your
Lola.
lunge.
Well played.
Yeah.
This arm.
That's actually really good. Okay? and then up. Bring it, and then. Bring it together, and that way, go. Arm, weight on your arm, yeah. And then up, and then shake. And that way, go. Good. Last one, go. We'll do one more kick now.
Okay.
It's called Kishada. You're gonna stop here, and you're gonna do a squat.
Okay.
Okay, then this leg's gonna go behind, and you're gonna kick with your right, and a crescent. Back. Nice. And you go.
And continue.
And then this way here, pivot to a squat. Right leg's gonna go kind of left. Push up.
And there's a pig in the class.
Let's leg forward.
Wait, where? Oh, that's right, I went forward.
And stop. Turn, pivot, and Kishada.
Cool.
Good. And one more fast one. And stop. Go. Kishada.
Awesome, thank you so much.
So now we have a kick. So
Bring it.
you guys squat there.
Okay.
So you what we do is we play. There's usually a circle of people who's also playing, we're clapping, and there's
Right.
cool. So you play with the, so you squat at the head of the circle. Okay, shake hands.
Okay.
And then you have to shake that head because you don't know which one. And then you kind of do a cartwheel in, or you're not comfortable with that yet. It's okay, you can shake, you know. And then you start to jingle and just play with each other. All right. Cartwheel. You can. Fine. Yeah, cool.
He's a natural.
I know he is, right?
Kick him.
All right. Run in the jingle first.
Oh, wrong foot.
Do the easy kick first.
Here.
Okay,
Try the first one where you step,
okay. When you're going there,
and then you're gonna.
oh, then I'm going to.
Perfect. Good. Yeah. That's exactly. You want to use the dodge that she taught you. It's called the esquiva.
Okay.
To get out of the way of my kick. All right. So.
Okay.
All right. Can you do one again?
Get down. Good.
So you want to try kicking me?
I suppose.
Whatever one.
I forgot the first one.
So try from the back, step to parallel,
Okay.
and then throw the other leg.
This one over.
Yeah. Good.
There you go.
Do your one of your
Squat,
dodges.
squat, squat.
Oh!
Yeah, get down and
Oh,
then
I went the wrong way though.
Okay. No, you can do that.
I think your team's short.
Yes. Good one. That was good. So normally, someone asks them to play for a while,
Okay.
and then you have to play them too.
Nice.
Woo!
Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. Good one. Keep jingling, okay?
Okay. Oh, I got hit.
That's it.
I love it. That's a great workout. My legs are killing me.
Really?
Well, not killing me, but we're trying to play it up for the video. But it's tiring, definitely.
Okay?
Otra vez.
Otra vez, vamos.
No sandalias. No zapatos.
Okay. Aquí. Woo!